be a little bit of time to get that first one off for some reason. There we go. Well, not this time.
Ooh, not a bad one.
That's a good one to start with.
How deep were you?
About 5. Florida, or
right.
You know somebody relocating, I can cover all those states. Plus, with the digital platform, what it is now,
Yeah.
not an issue. We've got appraisers all over the place, and people docu-sign things. There we go.
Light bite.
Come to the coffin. I'll be pushing now.
Hey, I've caught enough 8-inchers lately. He's I don't think he's making it. No wind. The conditions have changed. It's going to be good.
Yep.
There you are. Right down the dock where they always are.
Got him trained. Well, I know sunlight a lot of times will drive them down farther than the water column. There we go. Need to get some willing participants.
He'll use a keeper. All right. Camera wasn't even on. Phooey.
It's on now.
Another one?
Yep. Pretty much where you said they're at. This guy don't know. Not used to my new
Oh,
product,
you're-
knowing what to. There we go.
Close to the boat. Oh, he right a good one there. Oh yeah. Yep. We need more of them right there.
Is that close?
There's the double.
All right.
There's the double. These are
Chunky.
these are better ones here today.
Is that closer to us?
There's the double.
All right.
There's the double. These are
Chunky.
these are better ones here today. Come on, get off there.
Yeah, they're deeper. I think
Yeah.
That's the key.
That's another double. Yeah, they're deeper and they're better.
Yeah.
Those are some good ones there.
ended up settling for the reel below yours. I got a Stratic.
That's what I got.
Did you?
Or no, the Vanford.
Yeah. I looked at that one.
Which Stratic did you? Okay, yeah, I've got one of those, but it's a
Stratic FG
3500. I've got.
Yeah,
it's too big for this. You gonna make the team?
I don't know. I think so.
I didn't see many back there though. When I looked at it, but
Your electronics is deceived you.
there was a couple, but
Well, let's see if we got anybody else.
and I believe.
Yeah, the second one I know. I was listening a little bit last night, and I know they scored on the power play.
Yeah. There's another one back behind here. He's small.
Still deeper?
No, that was shallower. Like I set the hook and it came out of the water.
Instant offense.
Yeah.
There we go.
The corner. He don't feel very big though. Yeah. I think he'll barely make it.
There we go. No doubt.
Oh yeah. Shallower?
No, that's a deep count. But I'm by Cottleville usually on Wednesdays, so I usually kind of check it, and if I need any diesel and it's cheaper there, I usually grab it then.
Close to it, buddy.
Join the party.
light, real light bite.
Little light bite.
Yeah. Down the side of the dock. Occasionally throw out here, catch a couple, but mainly just hold on that brush. That's what you do it first in the morning.
I was gonna say, this area down through here has been pretty good producers. I think most of my fish have probably been on this lower third here that I've caught. The three of us on occasions. But yeah, what's up with you guys? Part of it, I think Steve is just getting older and you know, he feels as good about getting out anymore, I guess.
Right.
Good morning hole too.
I think we're gonna
Find out, huh?
Yeah, I think we'll find out.
Little guy. Wrong species.
I don't think so. One more cast for me. This is gonna be it.
That's usually good for any biters, though. Well, they've got our next subdivision over. They've got quite the Halloween display over there. It's
Yeah.
very extravagant.
Oh, not the
Told
last,
you.
not the last bite, not the last cast. There we go.
It's going to give you another 2 or 3 casts at least.
At least, yeah.
Qualifies for next. Let's see.
Picked up ice. I think we'll just throw these. Maybe throw these on ice.
Yeah.
There we go. He's a no-doubter. Ow.
Night started slow, but came over here and picked up.
Yeah, we were out pretty early though.
That's true. There we go.
That one sounds
15. Better one there.
Might be the big one of the day there.